Make a great choice today with the 2018 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.